Yesterday we got a late start. We rode like 2 or 3 hours in the pitch dark. So I had to set up our tents and stuff in the blackness. It was fun. But today we're doing all right.
What's the key to any long bike trip?
You gotta stretch it out.
Just like that.
Okay. Oh, look at this hair. We're at hotel and it's a night.
Red roof in, baby. Where are we going?
The sun right here is halfway. So on this side of it, if we were to chicken out and go back, we'd go back to DC. But now the only way is to continue on to Maryland.
Okay, but I'm going back to DC.
And there you have it.
I'm a little nervous about the next 60 miles. How's your walking looking?
I just got rode into town on a horse.
Hot. Hot.
All right, Kat. Just past 184. Half a mile to go. How do you feel?
We're gonna make it.
Potentially gonna make it. There's the city.
Yeah, I wonder where it is.
We did it.